In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the functionalities of Virtual Assistant 5.pipedrive.com effectively. This will help streamline your workflow and optimize your use of this powerful tool. Let's begin by addressing what we aim to accomplish. You want to organize your sales process efficiently and simplify the clutter in your pipelines. By managing your deals effectively and using tools that help prioritize activities, Pipedrive becomes an indispensable asset for your business. To start, let's head over to the homepage of Virtual Assistant 5.pipedrive.com. This is your command center where you'll manage everything from the deals you are working on to the stages they pass through. As you navigate to this homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the general layout and functionalities available at a glance. The homepage serves as a primary dashboard that gives you an overarching view of your sales process. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to click on the Deals tab. This tab is crucial as it will bring you to your list of current deals organized according to the pipelines you've set up. This section will become your best friend in tracking the status of each potential customer interaction. Here you'll be able to see all deals that you are currently working with, and you can also organize these deals into different pipelines and stages for better management. As you explore the Deals section, consider some valuable tips to maximize efficiency. One way to simplify your Pipedrive pipelines is by renaming them to be more intuitive. This makes it easy for every team member to understand them at a glance. Remove any unnecessary stages to keep your process streamlined and reduce any redundancies. Standardization is key. Ensuring stages are consistent across your various sales processes helps in keeping things straightforward and comprehensible. In addition to renaming and removing stages, make the most out of filters and tags. This feature is incredibly powerful as it allows you to sort and view deals based on different criteria, helping you manage them without the need to create multiple complex pipelines. Filters can be your best tool for zeroing in on specific kinds of deals or stages quickly. Tags, on the other hand, help you categorize deals and make searching for them more effective. Lastly, don't forget to leverage Pipedrive's activity-based selling tools. These tools are designed to prioritize and schedule activities, ensuring you maintain an organized view of your workflow. Keeping track of activities associated with each deal will help you stay on top of tasks and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. By employing these strategies, you can effectively streamline your use of Pipedrive, keeping your sales process both efficient and easy to manage. As always, remember that consistency and clarity are significant factors in managing your sales pipeline successfully. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found these tips useful.